Hey everybody, it's Mike from RLC Motorsports. Today we're doing something a little different that you usually don't see from us. We are going to install a FASS fuel system with a drop-in system. This is something new to me, guys, so I'm kind of learning on the fly with this one. This actually goes to the filter housing. This is going to be on the Toterhome that we use to drag that thing around. We got all sorts of cool stuff, actually. We've got a FASS Connect. I don't know if you guys have got to see this yet, but it's absolutely awesome. For anybody that's in the racing world, you know the value in this. This is a standalone gauge system. It's not tied to the OBD2 port, so we can independently see exactly what's going on with whatever we want to check. If we want to see what pressures are, specifically, we're going to put pressure sensors on the fuel filter system and learn what it's doing. Basically, if we get a filter that's clogged up, we're gonna have a sensor that's pre and post. We'll be able to tell if our filter's clogging up. How does it function? A lot of guys that have big rigs or Class 8 trucks, this is a major problem. Your filter gets clogged up, you don't know it, you go, man, I don't have no horsepower. This thing's lazy, I can't get up the hill hauling this load. This right here is gonna be huge for us because we're gonna be able to monitor that and see exactly when we need to change that filter if we're losing pressure. So we've got this, we've got this, we've got this. It's all gonna be a great package that has a reason for everything. Specifically this, to me, this is what I know because we put it on all of our light duty trucks. With that being said, on the light duty trucks, I always say this, the breakdown starts at the pump. If you go to any truck stop in America and you get fuel, it's a question mark to what the quality of the fuel is gonna be. Are we getting junk fuel? Does it have water in the fuel? What kind of contamination? This right here, FASS has got it figured out. It has a water filtration system on it plus a fuel filtration system on it. 2 separate filters, not just one. This is where it all starts. These components are gonna help us understand it that much better and work that much better. So if you're looking for a little bit better fuel mileage and you're looking for a better running engine and protecting all of it, we're gonna install it here directly. Hey guys, this is an outro on today's work. We actually got a lot accomplished. We were concerned if we could do it in one day. Here we are at about 10 hours later, and what we've accomplished is getting this FASS system mounted up, which is absolutely awesome the way it ended up mounting. We did build our own bracket for it because we just wanted to go that extra step. Depending on what truck or chassis you have will dictate how your system mounts up. But for us on the Cascadia and the short nose, we ended up having to do our own custom bracket. We got the Detroit drop-in series in, and that piece worked out really nicely. We ran into a couple little things that we were learning about our fuel lines and figuring out our return lines, but moved on from that, and then we got our FASS Connect hooked up. So we actually accomplished 3 separate things today, and it's awesome because we got this really cool app with the FASS Connect. So now we can actually see what the fuel filters are doing pre and post. If you're trucking, you're driving across the country, you're doing things daily, and you're wondering about what your fuel filter life looks like, you can actually see it. We got it set 100% right now. We see the in and the out. As the fuel filter life decreases, I gotta stop hitting the wrong buttons. It will tell us right there, and we'll know when to change the filter. For the guys out there that are really observant to how their trucks run, and you're like, man, my truck's just not running good, it's sluggish, it's lazy, check this guy right here. And guys, that's for everybody out there. You can monitor anything you really want to monitor that involves pressure. So thank you for watching us. And FASS, thank you for always taking care of us.